Where's the lizard? Supposed to be right there. Do you see it?
No. Because I found it somewhere here going. Not there.
Is it? I don't know. Is it really right there?
Oh, I found it!
Where?
Right here. Right there.
Oh, right there. Oh my gosh, it's coming back there.
Look at that lizard.
Whoa, it's really big. Oh my gosh, it's really like, whoa. Is it like really big?
You want me to move it?
I'm getting closer.
You want me to move it?
Maybe. And maybe not.
Hey, you missed it.
Oh my gosh. It's gone. Oh no, it's up there. It did not. Oh, you better not do that. Where is it?
I went under the thingy.
Yeah, I went under the thingy. Right up there.
It's gone now. No, it's not. I see it.
You can?
Yes.
Oh, I can see it. There, let me see it more closely. Mark. I cannot see it. Oh well. We found the lizard. It's hiding up there. So, they go so fast, but they hide really good.
Well, we found them.
Yeah. We were looking around. What the? What's that? A log fell down. What? I was like, it fell down from over there. A bird.